They can do anything. I don't know. Network, I don't know. Hey, na achọrọ m ịgụ egwu ka P-Square. Network, I don't know. Network, biko mere m ebere. Oh yeah, let us go, please. Hit the like button and share this very program massively. Hit the like button. Just touch down the like button and share this very program massively. Now, I saw the madness on social media. Some people are beginning to say that, oh, that Mazi Simon Ekpa wrote an apology letter to Uchechi. In fact, she posted it herself that Simon Ekpa has apologized to her. That Simon Ekpa wrote an apology letter to her. And I am like, what for? What for? Did Mazi Simon Ekpa wrong Uchechi? Or is it Uchechi that wrong Mazi Simon Ekpa? You know, these very people, they are very, very good at changing the narrative, insulting, and changing the narrative before you. Ha yegbu mkpo n'ime ọhịa, pụta n'ụzọ na-ajụ onye na-egbu. Ngị nwe etiri ihe, ha yeti gị ihe, bekarịa gị n'akwa. No, onye na-agafe agafe ya sị, bịa nna kedu ihe ị na-etiri onye a ihe always. They beat Mazi Simon Ekpa. Instead of Mazi Simon Ekpa to cry, they are crying more than Mazi Simon Ekpa. Now let us go to the alleged purported letter, saying that Mazi Simon Ekpa wrote letter to you, apology letter, will never make you to come back or look lame before Biafrans. It will never make you to look lame before Biafrans. Because what we can see, the mistake that you people made is that you are doing sabo in 21st century. Ebe when internet, sabo. When you know that anything that you people do, it is posted on internet, and internet never forgets. Hit the like button and share, please. Hit the like button and share. I have about 3 people joining live now. Hit the like button and share. I want this very program to go viral. Internet never forgets anything. Now, I watch some groups, Biafran groups, on Facebook, and I see this, oh, did you know that Mazi Simon Ekpa wrote an apology letter to Mazi Uchechi cancer, according to Master Prophet. Mazi Uchechi cancer. Okeke nwanyi dị afa njọ. Okeke. Mazi Okeke Uchechi ti ya cancer n'elu. Now, I read down all the garbages. I read all of them, trying to comprehend the reason why these very people are carrying propaganda. Ema, odogwu, ofu ihe ka eji ama odogwu. Ihe eji ama agụ ka a na-eji ama odogwu. Ebube agụ na-eche agụ. Did you know that even a dead lion is being feared? Gaa n'ebe ndị Yoruba na-ere ọgwụ, ụmụ ihe ọgwụ tradition nda. Go to where they keep a dead lion's head. You yourself will still be afraid of the lion. Na ihe o lion ụjọ ka na-atụ gị to touch a lion. A dead lion is being feared than a brave sabo. Are you not aware? Mazi Simon Ekpa is behind the counter. Yesterday we saw Mazi Simon Ekpa saying that we will win them. They have no defense over me. They are the ones that committed the atrocities. Today, I saw Elochukwu class Ohagi, the reserve Sabo, Ndi Sabo, writing to his Okoko, saying that he watched and see Mazi Simon Ekpa, saying, oh, they are the ones that committed the atrocities. But Mazi Simon Ekpa used to claim it, that Mazi Simon Ekpa died. Who did he buy? Elochukwu class Ohagi, this Sabo, Chineke ya Boko, wrote on his this thing that Mazi Simon Ekpa died 11 innocent people, including pregnant women, and claimed that he is the person that died them. This is 21st century 419. Can anybody show me where Master Simon Ekpa have wrote that he pied civilians? Can you prove it with detail? Because they are very good at drafting Twitter handle. Prove it with a Twitter link of Master Simon Ekpa, the link. Not to Twitter. Ona arugide kwona gaga ruo nke kolik unu Metusela aruaria nke dekwe the sentence. See that you forgot now unu na eme this 419. That he is insider. He knows about this thing more than you people. Disgrace went on. Now let me go back to the thing before I get to this Elochukwu Akpamu. If you trace the time that the insult against Master Simon Ekpa have never come online, started insulting Uchechi, have never come online, made a bogus statement against Uchechi. Master Simon Ekpa, prior to the time that Uchechi herself came online, because Ndina Yegu, this Kuje DOS, have been defeated by Mazi Simon Ekpa. So they have to lure her to come and do damage control for her. Mazi Simon Ekpa on his platform asked Uchechi, Biafra people are respecting you just because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Do not go to that thing. They are trying to drag you. They are trying to tarnish your image. Don't go. Mazi Simon Ekpa did not add thunder fire you, Uchechi. He did not add Ishibawagu Uchechi. He did not insult Uchechi or whatsoever. He never mentioned any insult against Uchechi. But guess what? Why am I saying this or why am I doing this very program? They are good at damage control. They are good at painting the narrative, false narrative, trying to sell to the people. After Mazi Simon Ekpa made those videos, Uchechi went on the former Radio Biafra where we worship, which has become where they gossip now. Uchechi went on that former Radio Biafra and called us frontal lobe, called us back lobe, called us all kinds of names. Now, as a wise woman, if you claim that you are the wife of a leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, in a situation where families have problem, you don't take side. If you claim, as at then, I know, as at then she was ranting on too many WhatsApp, telling them how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu went to Kenya to Mago Nwanyi mother. I used to hear all of those nonsense. I used to hear it, but I keep quiet. And I continue alerting you people. You know, somebody on social media gets a whole lot of information better than you people that are not on social media. I have established my face on social media. The type of information that I get, I am the one who chooses the type of information I sell to my audience. Because that is very important. If you establish your face on the media, if you are not careful, they will bring you down. If you are not careful, they will run you down. When you are aware that a whole lot of people are interested in the type of news that you give, you choose carefully the type of information they bring to you. Because ndoma yabi enyegi information, ndojo yabi enyegi information. You filter the information, know the truth and know the lies in it before selling it to the people. I am Mwashibrobi, please. Please hit the like button and share. Very, very important. Hit the like button and share this very program. It is very, very important. Now, when she went on the former Radio Biafra, courtesy as somebody who brought herself and painted herself then as the wife of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, even though that a whole lot of us who know what was happening knew that she really wanted to buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because you cannot tell me You coming to yourself, using your mouth to speak that ijikwe wee rọọ nrọ ebe ị na-abata na be Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ha. Amakwa m onye o nwere advisor. Ya bụkwana na ara apụbago mụ na ama. I wonder those mugus following Uchechi. She told them then, yo rọrọ nrọ ebe ya ọ nọkwa na-abata na compound Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ha mpa pụta chụghachi ya azụ wee sị ya na ya batana ha chụghachi ya azụ wee kpọchie geeti ya wee chee na ya ka akpọchikwudere geeti ya wee maa fence. Hey, mbiri aka n'isi so nwaanyị ere onwe ya o rere onwe tọrọ in that confession nara ego. Coming out to say that you have been terminated from the family of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu according to your dream. And this is a dream gị na-abịa and you confess. Now, nke by the side, I don't have to speak much on it. When she came out, went on Radio Biafra, started insulting Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, started insulting Maazị Simon Ekpa, called him and his followers ectoparasites. Did Maazị Simon Ekpa utter any word? No. She then started writing on her platform, granting too many garbages, called interview against Maazị Simon Ekpa until when Maazị Simon Ekpa responded to her. That response is the one that they are now saying, oh, Maazị Simon Ekpa really insulted the wife of your leader. But did Maazị Simon Ekpa insult Uchechi? The answer is no. Maazị Simon Ekpa responded to her. You know that you are not on the side of your husband. You really know that you wanted your husband dead. You know. Is she not know? Now check it. Who is she supporting? She is supporting Chinasa Moshi. She is supporting Chinasa Moshi. Chike Doziono. Now, courtesy. She is married to Kanu's family. Amaham. Because yabona mbovona mbira life na bom. I don't just understand. She's married to Kanu's family. Courtesy, your wife in Alu will never go to outside, support an outsider against your family. Munye in Alu. Will not leave your house, go outside, support an outsider, call an outsider, speaking down on your brothers and on your sisters. Obrugonna problem no in the family. If there is problem in the family, she is not supposed to sell the family, the entire family, to the global audience. Obrugonna problem no. Now again, please Obokwa Maazị Simon Ekpa kwuru nke a, ọkwachin Uchechi kwuru this one. Listen to me. Uchechi came out and said to our global audience that is watching that since 2017 ahapụrụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, that she have not cooked for Maazị Nnamdi Kanu since 2017. That Kanu stopped her from cooking for her husband. Now, after the interview, after Kam gechara the thing, sit down, no. Let's assume my brother, Shiebobi, Biara, Batani Mulum, Songunyem, Esia Hakara digini, Esia Hakara digini, or that my brother, as a Avrugon Naka Jirim, Asigon Namvo Dondi, or that my brother Yeshi, na biale eshirim ni always. Komonwa ya songunyem eshia hananam ni because I suspected something. Unu nwere brain that I said this thing. Why am I saying this? Because of the false narrative that they are trying to paint on social media against Maazị Simon Ekpa. He is not here, but we will continue to defend him because he stood for the Biafra people, for the best interest of Biafra, for the persecuted Biafrans. he stood very gallantly and very strong. Do not forget that. And because of that, because of how he stood, I will never stand where you lie or character assassinate him. I will defend him. Now, that one aside, you came out to tell us, oh, that your husband, forget that you use canon to canon. We all know that it is a lie. That you are listening to me now. You cannot be in your house, your brother, Shiebo Shiwebia, Batani Mulogi, Simunyege Shizirinageni, no Yamayane Shinni, Nkegene. You cannot, all of you know that it is not possible. It is impossible. Unless you suspected na nwunye gaha na support ndị iro chọrọ igbu gị, of which she confesses. She made the confession herself, not Mazi Simon Ekpa. She said because as at then that she is supporting the second version of the DOS, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sacked them then, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was not standing with them, so she was with them. So if you are not standing where your husband is, why do you choose? This is not the first time. Onye ọbụla chọrọ igbu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, she will run to the person. I'm not talking about Chris Nwogo or Kanu Nta here. I'm talking about Uchechi. Because I have really known, please permit me to say this, I have really known that some people come to social media, pretend, but they really spread hatred against Mazi Simon Ekpa indoor. And I want to warn, I am coming to that. I will warn about this write-up that they are writing everywhere. Enough is enough. You people cannot lie, spread misinformation against Mazi Simon Ekpa. He is being incarcerated. You are still spreading more. Even the unity group are still pumping out lies upon lies against Mazi Simon Ekpa. I will forever stand against it. I will forever stand against it. Ihe na-eme unu. Mazi Simon Ekpa pụtara in the court was preaching love. Oh, onye ọbụla ga, don't attack anybody. He doesn't want any attack. Just go and face the zoo that is committing atrocities against us. A brave guy. Even down, he is still preaching love and unity. Saying to his people, do not go and attack. Don't attack anybody on my behalf. Just go and face the zoo that is committing atrocities. How many of you people can do that? How many of you can do it? Now let me go. In case if you did not join early, the reason why I'm doing this very program is because there is a letter Hassan Mazi Simon Ekpa their apology to Uchechi. It is a fraud, and you must listen to me. It is a fraud. Mazi Simon Ekpa never wrote any letter. And that is the reason why I have traced it back to where the whole thing started. Before 2022, Mazi Simon Ekpa used to praise Uchechi. In fact, Mazi Simon Ekpa at a time defended Uchechi, saying that the trauma of the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that it is not easy. But little did he know that the person that he defended will turn a wild dog. In 2022, she went on, they lured her out on the program the criminal POS did. The same people attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today. The same people spreading false narrative against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The same people that want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to buy. They did a program, 2022, invited Uchechi, where she named everybody following Mazi Simon Ekpa, frontal lobe and back lobe, ectoparasites. All of you know vividly well. Nke ishi ya dika ishi amam ihe mma boy nke unna kpo Elochukwu Nicholas Ohagi bulie. Ah, our Lolo. Lolo said Ektopara Isa. Lolo on the highway. Lolo said Ekto Ipa. Fast forward to today. The same woman is now saying that Master Simon Ekpa apologized to her. For what? What did he commit against you? Did he come on social media, begin to insult you? Did he lay any kind of allegation against you? Master Simon Ekpa was focused against the Nigerian government, committing evil, perpetrating evil against our own people. In Nigeria today, no Igbo man, anywhere ikutere okwu Igbo man, ebe ndi Fulani no, ebe ndi Yoruba no, there will be problem. There will be problem. Please, the current, I'm not mocking Yoruba people. The current pronunciation is Yoruba. It was Archbishop Desmond Tutu, if I'm not mistaken. Is it Archbishop Desmond Tutu that corrupted it to Yoruba? Because he cannot pronounce it as a den, the way that they pronounce it. Their name is Yoruba. It is a Fulani word. Archbishop Desmond Tutu corrupted it to Yoruba. It is Yoruba, which is Fulani word for backwardness, Fulani word for darkness, Fulani word for bushman. That same word mean a lot of things. Yoruba, that is it in Fufude. I am Mwashibrobi, please. Hit the like button and share. If you come here, you must learn one or two. Because what we preach here is nothing but the undiluted truth. We preach this very truth so that you know that we preach nothing but the undiluted truth. I see Vincent Uchechi here. Hit the like button and share. I see you, Go Henry. I see you, Aseka Francis Chukwode. I see you. Those are the names displayed here. There is a man who watches me every time, but refuse, or they cannot the life, who use a fake account now watch. That is the one your people call Ochoro can promote. I will promote him so that the Nigerian government will increase his sabo money. The one your people call what is his name? Nkese na yo Tony Akpa Nade. Gregory Priska, I see you. I see you, please. Please hit the like button and share. He used to watch very well. He have wrote, when I broadcasted yesterday about the garbage that he wrote again. Oga, today will be the first and last that I will promote you on this very platform. Tony Nnadi, you have belittled yourself. He was evil social media warrior. Ọ dị ka ndị na-akwụ gị ụgwọ ọgbafuo na ego akwụrụ gị onwe ihe iji wee mee achieve ịmata na social media every platform ịnọzi na type na-ede wite anya 430 eche m asị na ọ lọya ka ịbụ wite ihe ị na-ede lọya ka ịbụ wite akụchi oyibo lọya okoko onye ọbụla Tony Nnadi defender ya aga prison onye o defender agaghị ya aga prison. I am Mwashibrobi, please. Please listen. Now, when Uchechi did all of these things, Master Simon Ekpa, for the very first time, never responded to Uchechi until Uchechi continued to write. Then Master Simon Ekpa responded to her. You know that you want Mazen to buy Mazen Namdekano. The people that are really, anybody that stand against Mazen, that is where you stand. You are there to defend the Ejiofo. Don't you know that I have one of your video in one of the hotel that you went to? Immediately, Master Simon Ekpa said that. Uchechi sees, all of a sudden, social media Uchechi has at then. Uchechi was not waiting for a month plus until we started asking of the whereabouts of Uchechi. Why is she no longer attacking Master Simon Ekpa? It was only then that her handlers advised her, Ida igo na ya nwavonshi. Iye egwu di mmiri. Continue bombing him. Opposto ya, then you go to court in Finland with a video. Ebo say that I have your author. Na yo ya publish here. So it will point to him. No ya wa publish here anytime that it comes out. It is a very crafty resolution. Those handling her advise her. Come out and begin to talk. He cannot publish it. At least we now have a video. We have cut out a video where he said that he will publish it in case if it comes out. So she came out to fight that deity. Now, Uchechi, had it been, if you are sincere, if you are genuine, if you are not promiscuous, you was consistent in attacking Mazi Simon Ekpa then. Just only one word, Oku, gave wafu. Then come back a month plus later. You have a guilty conscience. You really did all of those things. He did not insult you. He did not lay allegation. Because if he laid allegation, you could have fired that. You could have explain that this is forgery. That if you have video, bring it. But you did not. Your platform went completely dump for a month plus. Only after a month plus, you now resurface on social media. Talking rubbish. But we are wiser. Now, everybody listening to me can confirm to me that Mazi Simon Ekpa did not begin to insult you. If people who follow this very program, from day one, they know that Mazi Simon Ekpa did not and have never come on social media to insult you. It was you who came out to insult Mazi Simon Ekpa. So the apology letter, you people are lying, spreading everywhere to cover your face. Where is the apology letter coming from? Oga Mazi Uchechi cancer, where is the apology letter? Now, let me tell you people why she is speaking about apology. She really tana Ejiofo in a hotel, as was said. Because over not Ejiofo in a hotel, Oga ha pota ne quote non-existing apology letter. Oga ha pota ne quote non-existing apology letter, lying to the general public that Mazi Simon Ekpa, who is facing a trial, a treason-related offenses in Finland. Treason he never committed. Fulani no ne buai. Fulani for our son. Ga prison. Ga court. Trying him for treason. They are kidnapping and chasing villages in our land. They now look and hired our hungry, sheepish-looking individuals to help them. It can only be Fulani. It can only be them. Why this is happening? Why this is happening? Some people are trying to cajole Mazi Simon Ekpa. Some people are trying to make Mazi Simon Ekpa look bad. Now, can happen go no Uchechi. Can gafe ne Elochukwu ne class Ohagi. The new DOS, if the thing that you people preach to Biafra people, freedom of the Biafra people, why are you have boring Elochukwu Nicholas Ohagi? Why? Christy Wogu, why are you harboring Elochukwu Nicholas Ohagi? Elochukwu Nicholas Ohagi in his recent posted that Mazi Simon Ekpa have really committed crime. No Burundi Igbo, ravage our land. Now, if you followed Elochukwu Nicholas Ohagi's nonsense that he writes, onye abu teacher ko okwa teacher nda na teach it on okwa freedom. Ihe a na-akwụkwọ mgbe ava 9,000 naira. 9,000. Okwa this freedom obara. Biazie emepe na social media. Meme Biafra ndị mmadụ sobe a na-enye 1 naira 2 naira. Ọ dịka ome na arrive. this guy agbabe mbọ before kpọọ ahịa na shop na-aga shop na-ere ọ teacher 9,000 ka o ji a challenge nwa vọgbọ ya Maazị Simon Ekpa, which have done marvelously well by defending the Biafra people. Na nye m ntị gị. Elochukwu Nicholas Ohagi previously wrote back then that Maazị Simon Ekpa is spying Nigerian army. He is the one that wrote that garbage. It was shared widely by them, by Emeka Sorunda Bruno gift, by stomach writers fabrication and the rest of them. Ndagon. He said that Master Simon Ekpa is spying our own people in his own article. In his own article. And I read those articles that he wrote. He said that our own people that he is spying is those of our own people in Nigerian military. This is Emeka gift, trying to convince you that Master Simon Ekpa don't have right to spy our own people in Nigerian military. Now, I told you people story of how the Nigerian military took me during the Masop time, 2006, at Ezike's compound. 2006, at Ezike's compound in Mpopa. Those people who knew Ezike's compound in Mpopa know where I'm saying. They took me there. They took me from there. They kidnapped me from there. It was an Igbo man like me who cocked gun. We were two people. They captured me in Ezike's compound. They kidnapped me in Ezike's compound. Why at the outside, they kidnapped a young man. It was an Igbo man like me who cocked gun and shoot onye Igbo. Ababuoya. Mgbe nnụrụ egbe, I have told this story. Mazumola thinking no m ka agbara di egbe. Ya emeghe ọ na spirit map ona. Okpokoro ahụ m nọdị nchela aka m nọ n'elu ụwa. Mazumola because I was not allowed to raise my head up. O wee ghọọ na ọ bụghị m. Mbend isi wee na-ahụ ọbara. The same Igbo man cock gun to shoot me before nke onye Hausa so ha get angry. So onye Igbo nọ na military chọrọ ịgbagbu m. Onye Igbo nọ na military gbagburu onye Igbo ibi ya. Onye Igbo nọ na military shiri ọnwụ na ya agbagbu m. Onye Hausa no inwete oleshi wee washi onye ọnụ, get angry, cock his own gun, face him, tell him if he shoot that guy, he will shoot him. He was telling that guy na ọ na-egbu ndị mmadụ too much. Ọ na-agwa ha sị ya, I kill him for this small boy, I know good. Then, marakwa na aka m wee teenager. Erubekwe m 18 years. Erubekwe m age of something. Elochukwu wee dee. Now, if you watch ebe ọbụla ndị Nigerian military na-aga attack, ọ bụrụ na ị watch ya the military nọ dia na-ekwu okwu, ihe anụ olu ndị Igbo dia. Ọ ha nwa na-ekwu na ha ya ejide those boys, finish those boys, mee ha nke a, mee ha nke ọzọ. But the same people will not go and jide ndị Fulani, finish ha. Jide ha, their standing order. Do not buy them. So they hand them over to Nigerian military. Then they now in turn reintegrate them into the society. Onye ka na-aghọrị? Who are they deceiving? Tell yourself the truth. Who are they deceiving? Who is fooling who? I am Onyebuchi Nwashimrobi. Hit the like button and share, please. It's very, very important. I have 14 people watching. Just hit the like button and share. Very, very important. Onye Igbo. Then ndị na-abịa asị na ha chọrọ freedom. Egburu ụmụ Biafra na-emene. If Elochukwu Nicholas is sincere na ya chọrọ freedom, he will not come out mepe ọnụ ya on supporting the Nigerian side, making it look as if no ndị Igbo ka a na-egbu. if he wants freedom. Ọ bụrụ na ọ nwanne gị ka a na-esend wee na-egbu gị. Now let's say, is it not Elochukwu that is calling for them to buy Mazi Simon Ekpa? Mazi Simon Ekpa oho onye Igbo. Okwa onye Igbo ko, but he is calling for the buying of Mazi Simon Ekpa. In his own logic, he is telling you people that Mazi Simon Ekpa buyed our own people. And who is that our own people that he is telling you? According to him, no ndị buy no na army, ndị buy no na police, no onweghị onye na-akwụ ha ụgwọ. Now, if this logic is okay, then kedu ndị gburu ndị egburu na Ekemkpo? Kedu ndị gburu ndị egburu na Emene? Have Elochukwu and his family brought justice to those people who were murdered at Ekemkpo? Have you brought justice to those people who were murdered in Emene? Have you brought justice to those Biafrans that are being murdered everywhere in Nigeria? The answer is no. But when you retaliate, the guy who tells you that he is looking for your own freedom doesn't want you to respond to those who are killing you. He wants those who are killing you to consistently kill and annihilate you. Then who is that person? That person is Judas Iscariot, Sabo. Sabon Tike. If it is established by Elochukwu, it is established by them that the Nigerian government are killing and annihilating our own people. Then why are they drinking Panadol or paracetamol when our own people now respond to the people that are killing them? Why are they drinking Panadol in it? Why? It can only mean one thing. They were never ever in support of the freedom. Nigerian government have a whole lot of people that they pays money. Now let me tell you people, for those of you not on social media, there is something that Nigerian government does. They have tried this with me. They have tried it countless of occasions. It doesn't work. Now, please pay very close attention. Can reveal this intel. You're on social media. Somebody reach out to you that he wants to help you. You know, sometimes if I have I come on social media, say, oh, lekwe, ihe nchọrọ, biko, onwe onye ya emere m ya. Now, if you put it that way, they reach out to you on social media. Once they send money, if you are not smart, they get all your own information. You can no longer run. They have monitored you and they have monitored you. They will now approach you with money. They have monitored you. If they are giving you money, they will know if you are money monger type, somebody that loves money. They will cut a deal with you. Nah, you know for a very long time I have been funding you. Look what I want. This Biafra Ana Chokwana, it cannot work. What I want is now for you, you are with them. This Biafra have destroyed our properties. It cannot work. And our own people are dying. Now that you are with them, don't worry. I will take care of you. Anything that you want, the only thing that I need is be our eyes within them. Just because of the money, Hane Nyegi. The same thing that made Kezinka na-akpọ fearless Sabo, nke na-akpọ mmadụ abụchukwu. That na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọbụchi ya. What changed made him to change his mind? Ego. Unhuru mgbe revealed ego ole sendara mmadụ abụchi. Every month ọ na-receive roughly $1 million plus. So Maazị Nnamdi Kanu abụchi ya now turns to Sabo. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu abụchi ya now turns to thief. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu abụchi ya now turns to somebody embezzling money. It can only be money. Any day you see Mwashiburobi coming out to attack Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, attack Maazị Simon Ekpa, it is not me. Oyego hakwuru, and nobody can buy me with money. Maybe all my spirit, ha nwere ike inwe clone. That is after they might have succeeded in buying their family. Nobody can buy me. My life is in the hand of God. Ọkwa nwa battery afọrọ obere enyere m ị ga-arị ọkpa ịtata eri ishi, ị ga-arị ishi eri ọkpa, ma abụgo na agadi nwaanyị kara nka ọrịa bụ ụdịrị ihe m na-arịa ka a na-ekwu ihe a. Ọ fọrọ obere na I am Nwashibrobi, please, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. So you cannot buy me. So that is how they corrupt people. That is how they buy people. You will see somebody that have Biafra at mind begin to write rubbish. Elochukwu Nicholas Ohagi knows very well in his article. He have written article of how Nigerian government buy freedom fighters. Then when you retaliate, when you defend yourself, he comes out to write in his article, oh, you are now the one buying our own people in Nigerian army. So you are now wanting Biafra to exist. You hated politicians who are working for the interest of Nigeria, but you now love the said your people in Nigerian army. You now love them. The main people that they are using to buy our own people. The main people that they used to buy people in Aba High School. The main people that they used to buy people in MNA. The main people that they used to buy in Obibo. The main people that they used to buy in Ekpa. The main people that they used to buy us even in Delta. You are now loving them. You become their mouthpiece. But all these very people that they murdered, why don't you speak up? Why don't you become their mouthpiece? Why don't you agitate for vengeance? Why don't you defend these very people? The same person will write to you how Nelson Mandela fought his own. Anybody, please pay very close attention. Anybody telling you that Nelson Mandela fought non-violence way, it is a pure lie. It is a pure lie. They were armed, but they always it is a kind of gorilla. They always deny they are not them. They were armed. They fought with arms. Show me any freedom in Africa that people don't buy. When you talk about freedom, the people that are subduing you can't let you go. So which need do you have? The issue of force comes in. The issue of using force to safeguard yourself. The issue of using force to defend yourself. Have any one of you monitored Sokoto Declaration? You know, the same person saying, oh, Master Simon Ekpa buyed his own people. Have you read Sokoto Declaration? Sokoto, nke Mazen Nnamdi Kanu put out recently. Have you read it? What is Sokoto Declaration telling you? Ngewa, what is Sokoto Declaration telling you? Does it told you to fold hand? Sokoto Declaration told you that in every freedom fighting, they will continue to buy you until the people that they are buying stand up to defend themselves with greater maximum force, which the people buying you are using. Is it not what is there? So, does it mean now that any time that this Sokoto Declaration, they want to implement it, you start crying? The same Elochukwu Nicholas Ohagi, writing against Simon Ekpa, is supporting Christy. That is the fourth administration of DOS. In one of his broadcasts, I watched I was informed in one of his broadcasts, not I watched. In one of his broadcasts, I was informed where he made, they sent the video to me also, but I couldn't watch it. So I asked for the summary of the video. He said that they have produced made in Biafra land Ogbunigwe. And I want to ask Elochukwu Nicholas Ohagi, the made in Biafra land Ogbunigwe, Christy said that he have produced. Is it not to defend himself from those who are buying innocent people? If you watch Christy Elochukwu, if you watch Christy he will always use that word. what is he calling it? Welfare for the men on the ground. Do you know about welfare? Do you think that welfare is just only food? Welfare is arms are in the welfare. Mkpụrụ osisi ọka na mkpụrụ granite back to send oil are in the welfare. So when you attack Mazi Simon Ekpa, why don't you equally attack the new appointed person, Chris Nwog? Or are you keeping quiet to reserve your strength tomorrow to make more attack? We must be wise. The Nigerian government doesn't love us. The Nigerian government doesn't love you as a Biafran. As it is today, if you are an Igbo man anywhere outside Igbo land, you are being hated in that contraption called Nigeria. Recently, what are they calling it? These very people making comedy. What are they calling it? All those people that will disguise themselves. Please remind me what they call it. All those people that makes comedy, that normally disguise themselves to go outside to know how people feel. Recently, one man did his own. He went outside to get the reaction of the people, to know what people are going to say about him in Lagos. And he disguised himself as a beggar. As somebody who needed a place to sleep till the next day. He came out, begged the Yoruba woman, an elderly woman for that matter, telling her, "Mommy, can I get a place to sleep?" That woman said, are you Igbo man? Go to your people. I am a Yoruba, go to your people. The kind of hatred that they portrayed there. But over on Igbo, most of you know Ogavunda be for free. Yeah, we're on the Yoruba. Over on Igbo, they get free house. Na Igbo, they get free house. O nwere nke nọ na village m na nke aha anyị na-epushi ya ka ọ laa, nke a agbara isi akwara na ọ na-ala, ọ na-asụ chakwum Igbo, ọ na-atụkwum ilu Igbo, lụzie nwaanyị n'obodo, gọọ ala, asụm gọọ ala, adashia ya ala, ya arụ ụlọ ebe obi. Ọ na-azazi nwanna ugbu a na-achụ ya laa, ya so go where? That there is no place like ala Igbo. Once they come down to our territory, we take them. We show them love, but not to them. Now, having known all of this, as a freedom fighter, you put more of your strength. Anything that it will take for that freedom to come, you are worthy. The reason why our own people respect Mazi Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is because of the way, their charisma in fighting for freedom. They are not waiting for anybody's validation. They don't even need your validation. They don't even need how you think or how you feel about them. The only thing that they needed is freedom. Freedom, that's all. All that they needed is freedom. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have never threatened anybody to buy that person if you are not following him. He never. Mazi Simon Ekpa have never threatened anybody that he will buy you if you are not following him. He never. But these people, Nano, Chinasa Moshi and the group, the Kuje DOS, together with some people, gossip. I dey hear ona. How you people are mocking Mazi Simon Ekpa. I can hear it. All of them. Most of the people, Christy dere, Ndara. I never loved them as a Simon Ekpa. I never, because he really fucked up. But I will not be part and party for him to be in prison. He should be released. What fuck up did Mazi Simon Ekpa do? Position. Ihe Kanu Ntazoga today. o ji ekpugharị skull cap amagharị ọ na-eyi kuzi ma suit nọ na position ka ụmụ Biafra hụ ya asị ihe a onwe ihe ọbụla Chineke mekwere gị ebere ihe emekwe na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu maka ọkọkọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nta 2 by 2 ka a eji achụ gị anywhere nọ n'obodo oyibo ọsụkwa gị nọ n'Israel 2 by 2 ifili na ndị mmadụ bụ mugo onwekwa onye iyi asanwụ isi nothing onwe onye iyi asanwụ isi after all ọkwa ngị nwapụtara bịa gwa anyị mgbe a na-ekwu okwu ndị buru Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na ndị na-ebu ọ ngị nwapụtara sayị na aka Oji Ụzọ Kanu adịghị aka Ifeanyị Ụba anọghị aka onye a anọghị ngị nwamazi ndị aka anọ na it means na ịma ihe niile gbasara ya ebe ị pụtara a na-ekwu onye a pụtakwa jiri ọnụ isi na his friend wetara private jet eji wee belata maazị onye macha na his friend. At what point ka friend ya gwara ya nna na ya na-ebelata maazị why don't him raise alarm? But the same you bụ nwanne Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ofu nne ofu nna ofu ọbara ofu eriri pụtasị aka ya adịghị ya na a na-ebo ya allegation. Chineke gazie gị aga akpọ the person ọkụ ya aga London kubipu. Recently somebody na-ajụ m na ma audition ọhụ Uchechi ka ọ gara ịma ọgwụ ụdị ya. Hey, Uchechi itere onwe gị ure maka Chineke onwekwe ihe ịwa ọtọrọ n'anya ụmụ Biafra. I am Washiburobi, please. Preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Onwe ihe ịwa ọtọrọ, even respect penny. Ịwa ọtọrọ n'anya ụmụ Biafra. Serve the zoo and come back in shame. Had he been he destroy ihe onwe gị had he been ikpụtọ onwe gị kwa gị na-eme pụta etie first lady even though na ịma na ebo first ashawo anyị nidikwere ikwu ya eziokwu ka anyị nidiri ikwu ya. O nwere message m hụrụ on my WhatsApp. Somebody sent me an information. One security expert, a foreign security expert, sent me an information that why is it that any time Uchechi is making entrance, she would not like to use the second child. She will say, my son. No pụtara na nke ọzọ ọ mụrụ abụghị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka ọ mụrụ. Now my response to that person, now let me respond. If you ask me, now who I go ask? The matter where you see so, you don't tell where it starts. No be me go talk Uchechi there for here. If you ask me, the matter for grand, now who I go ask? Now who make I ask? I am Washiburobi. So, the main objective of this very program, the purported letter, Hasama as Simon Ekpa dere, apology letter to Uchechi, it is pure fake and lie. Uchechi is trying to clean her face and her image. But surprise, surprise, onwe ezi face, onwe image. Are you listening? Surprise, surprise, Uchechi have no face, have no image to protect. She is trying very much to clean her face and her image. Because she have never distance or coaxiate ihe ọ na-eme na hotel room with Ejiofo. Ha gba ọtọ eji wee jide video ha. Have you? So that thing Maazị Simon Ekpa kwuru mgbe aha megige lakpuo for a month plus before I go out. Either I go n'ime potopoto gwuo ya or publish here, we go to court. Or no publish here, it is your own good. You continue. Before a bloomer says Simon Ekpa. This Uchechi did not distance herself and said you lied against me. I know him made that video. Okay, bring the video. She did not. Immediately I got an Eji video in toy platform a call. I travel Uchechi for how many months? A month plus. Going to 2 months. Before Lord Chitekwe na platform called the 3 months amazim manotere aka. Before Lachi, we must be sincere. If we need freedom, we must support Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and Mazen Simon Ekpa and distance ourselves from anybody talking down on Mazen Simon Ekpa or Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. If you talk down on Mazen Simon Ekpa today, you will talk down on Mazen Nnamdi Kanu tomorrow. All of you remember the Kuje DOS. Master Simon Ekpa did this. Master Simon Ekpa did this. Master Simon Ekpa did that. All because they want to character assassinate Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. They are now using their sleeper cell to engineer the same thing against Master Simon Ekpa because they feel Master Simon Ekpa's appeal, he might come out. So let us continue bombing so that they will hold him. But it will not work this time around. I support anything. Ehukwara. Kangwaku na eziokwu. Ọ na-eme watch ya Chris Nwogo. Some of his utterances like Gadungaduma. No. I watch him. Somebody brief him, send Aram the video, but I know watch him. Nke m watchere ebe ọ na-ekwu na welfare and he take care of men on the ground. All they were very okay. He take care of them. Administration bido. Aya egwumego ya nwabo mmiri egwu. Anybody that will continue that mmiri before the men masquerade and apota, it is welcomed. And from me, from here, from the temple of the great seer, it is good afternoon, please. Share this very program and hit the like. Share and hit the like button. Bye for now.